To create an Adyen account, follow these steps. Visit Adyen's website. Go to the official Adyen website. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Provide business information. Fill out the required business details such as company name, email address, phone number, country of operation, type of business. Create your account. Choose a secure password and create your Adyen account. Verify your email. Adyen will send a verification email. Check your inbox and click the link to verify your email address. Complete the onboarding process. After verifying your email, you may need to provide additional information depending on your business type, including proof of business registration, tax identification number, bank account details, other relevant documentation for security and compliance purposes. Integrate payment solutions. Once your account is set up, Adyen allows you to integrate various payment solutions into your website or app. Start accepting payments. After completing the onboarding and verification process, you'll be ready to start accepting payments securely with Adyen.